This is one of them. Just sitting there right on the outside. Pretty soon, though, he's going to get up. There, and there he goes. Now that's in your bedroom. But he was doing it in the... Oh, okay. Let's go see if he's going to go change windows. No, not here. Okay. Let's see. Are we back at our window? No, I don't see him doing it.
Was he in there?
Yeah, he was back in Mal's old bedroom. There's something wrong. They're hungry. We need to put out bird feed. Maybe that's it. I don't see any of them doing it now. There's just two of them I see. It's like...
The same bird?
Yeah. And they were in here.